Hi! In today's video, you will learn the most challenging letter in the Czech alphabet, the letter R. It is a unique letter that exists only in the Czech alphabet. It is normal that it takes time and practice to hear it and pronounce it. I will teach you the technique, and once you master it, all the remaining sounds will be a piece of cake. Let's see some examples. Já řídím auto. Já řídím auto nebo autobus. Já řídím auto. To je řeka Vltava. To je řeka Vltava nebo Amazonka. To je řeka Vltava. To je dobře. To je dobře nebo špatně. To je dobře. Now let's see the technique. Remember from the last video the word zvíře, an animal. We'll practice with this word. So there are three things that you need to do. You will put your teeth, your jaw together like this, okay? Then the second thing, you will put your tongue behind your lower teeth, okay? Like this and this. And then the third thing, it is not obligatory, but it will help you to pronounce the sound. You will make a little duck face, okay? Like this. And now imagine you're a little bit angry. You have this air and this, you have this air in your mouth that is accumulating. And just try to release this air, maybe spitting a little bit. Imagine you're spitting, okay? So, teeth, tongue, duck face, and this air. Yeah, there's a little bit of S sound. Try to be releasing this air from your mouth. And that is actually how to pronounce the R, okay? Now you will decide to release it suddenly, abruptly and a bit violently, okay? R, and loudly, R, zvíře. Okay, so after these three positions of your mouth and face and the air that's accumulating in your mouth, you will just release it and quickly. R, zvíře, zvíře. So R is in the middle of the word, zvíře. Now let's look at R in the beginning of the word, like říjen, October in Czech. R, říjen, říjen. Let's look at R in the end of the word, like lékař, a doctor. Lékař, lékař, lékař. So R will sound a little bit different depending if you pronounce it in the beginning, in the end, or in the middle of the word. But the important thing is that you will hear this kind of explosion of the air in your mouth. R. Zvíře, říjen, lékař, lékař, zvíře, říjen. You must have noticed that there is a little hook above the R. We call this háček, which means literally a little hook. So every time you want to write the letter R, you will write R with a little háček. You have just mastered the trickiest letter in the Czech alphabet, the letter R. To sum up, R can be found anywhere in a word. In the beginning, řeka, říjen, řídit. In the middle, zvíře, Paříž. Or in the end, lékař, kouř. You can also use those words in a sentence. To je řeka Vltava, já řídím auto, on je lékař. Let me know in the comment below what word with letter R is difficult for you to pronounce. Below this video, you will also find additional examples with this letter. Thanks for watching and see you soon! This sound... Já jsem pozorovala ptáka. So it is okay that it takes time and
Practice.